Jeannie, and this is the Wrapped in Dazzle on Silver Bat Mitzvah imitation from Carlson Craft. This contemporary Bat Mitzvah imitation is raised printed on a white shimmer die cut card that is layered onto a silver glitter wrap, which is die cut into the same but larger shape. This imitation measures 5 1/8 inches wide by 7 1/4 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on white shimmer single cardstock. The thank you notes will print on folder stock. This imitation comes with single bright white pointed flap envelopes. We show it here with an optional return address on the back flap. You may purchase this imitation from invitationsforless.com. To prepare this imitation for final assembly, have the invitation card in the back or face up in front of you. Pick up the invitation card and then simply insert it through the 2 die cuts so the belly band is nice and centered. And then you're ready to move on to final assembly.